Hi guys, how are you? Oh, there's someone who needs help. Come, quickly. Oh, poor little one. Don't worry, I will help you. Breath check. All right, here I go.
Oh, hi. So sweet of you. My darling, my beloved one. I love you so much. Ouch! What was it? Oh, it's you. Oh, you look so beautiful and so fancy. I wish I could become a mermaid too. Wow, such a great choice here. Amazing! These are too bright though. And this looks curious. With it, Ken will be finally mine.
Hello, beautiful. How are you doing today?
Oh, hi, Ken. You're so handsome.
Ow, wow.
I'm so glad to see you. But what is it?
Where?
A tail? And me as well? No, no, no! It must be a nightmare! No, please, no! Bring me my legs back! Please tell me it all was just a dream. Please tell me my legs are still there. Whew, it was just a dream. It's such a relief. Hey, beautiful. I wish I could be just like you. I guess I know what to do. First, my shoes. I think these ones are more proper for a real mermaid. They look nice and are pretty comfy. This is so much fun! But it's just the very beginning. Now I need some tape. Let's stick it all up together so it would look like a real tail. So here, and here will be just fine. Well done. Thank you. It's so great. He will finally notice me and fall in love. Yay! Just look at my new tail.
Nah, it's not the real tail.
Oh no, I thought I've done everything right. I need some help. Please answer the phone. Please do.
Hello.
It's an emergency. I need your help now.
Sorry, Barb, I can't. Maybe next time.
What? Are you kidding me? Come here.
Huh? What?
You must help me, please.
All right. Let me take a look. Yeah, I know what to do. There's a tool that will do it in no time. I guarantee it's going to be perfect.
I really wish it will.
Ha! Look! See a real mermaid tail.
Wow, it's so awesome. It looks amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow. What happened? Oh, wow. It's so amazing. I don't know how to thank you, really.
Ow. I'm glad you like it. Enjoy.
Wait, a mustache? Oh, the mermaid. Hi, dear. Such a nice tail. And now I have mine. And what else is there? Right, a bra. A nice fancy bra. But I don't know where to get one. Or maybe I know. Let's check it out. This will help me to find it. Let's try it. Ooh, got it. But a sock? Ooh, it's creepy. Now take it off. Ew, it's just a piece of trash. Let's give it another try. I think I got it. Come to mommy.
Hey, what are you doing? Bring me back.
Oops, sorry. This time it must be lucky. Oof, it's big. Come on, give it to me. Wow, it is big and finally. Let's put it on. Wow, I never wore anything better. It's so perfect now. But what is it? There, inside, that's a crab. What a lovely day.
Hi, beautiful. Huh? But where's your makeup? Ew!
Oh no, not again. He will never fall in love with me. Huh? What is it? Cute. I think I'll need it. No, not the fish. The net. I just need to put it right on top. Just like that. And now I need some shadows.
I swear I said it.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Sorry, may I?
And then... Huh? But where?
What? How could you?
No, wait!
Now it's my turn. This color looks really mermaid. So let's do it. On the top and on the cheeks. And a few times on the chin. Ready to check it? Looks perfect. So cool. Though, I think it's still not enough. All right, diamonds. Yeah, extra shining would be great. I'll just need some smaller pieces. So let's crack it up. Well done, just the way I need it. Now I can stick it right to my skin. And create a bright diamond silhouette. Just add it here and there. I guess I'm ready. Where's my mirror? What? Oh no, that's too much. Off they go! I need just a few ones to emphasize my beauty. Now I look gorgeous.
Hey, where's your lipstick?
What? Oh no, I completely forgot about it. Hurry up, I need to fix this. Here I go. First. And the second one. How is it going? Not as I wanted. It's useless. All right, I need some drastic measures. This time it will definitely work. Phew. Lip check? Still nothing. All right, now I'll try this. And you'd better work, my dear. Whew, I got it. I guess now I got it. Oh my gosh, my lips! Quick, I need to fix it as fast as possible. I need to freeze it up a bit. Wow, I hope it helped. Feels fine now. Perfect. And my hair. Mermaids don't have hair like that. Their hair is so bright and looks so cool. Oh, I know what to do. I need to change color. And there's a way to do it.
Oh gosh, I forgot about my skirts.
Oh, right, what I need. So let's add it here. For a nice bright red color. And now let's put my head just inside. Turn it on. And in no time, it all will be done. Looks awesome! Real mermaids will be jealous.
Huh? How did it happen? You will pay for this.
So now I'm finally ready. Ow, I'm so hungry. Let me check if there's something interesting online.
You food, milady.
Oh, so fast, thank you. And what do we have here? Oh, a crown for a princess. It's so cute. My favorite. Let me take a few bites. Yummy. Oh, there's one more thing I forgot. The crown. But not like this one, no. I'll need to make a new, more mermaid-like one. For this, I'll need all the right ingredients. A couple of shells. Let's put it all together. Some pearls, too. This is gonna be awesome. I guess it's all I need for a fancy crown. Now roll up the sleeves. It's time to do the magic. And mix it all up. I really can't wait to see the results. This is all beyond any of my expectations. It's so beautiful. Not every mermaid has anything like that. He will fall in love with me. I think now I'm finally ready. Oh, but what is it? Curious. Let me take a look. I think it will look perfect right here. Right, this will be a nice mermaid earrings. I just need to choose a form. And add a few details. Now it's time to stick it all together. Stitch by stitch, very carefully. And then add some glitter right on the edge of it. Let's see what we've got here. Awesome! Let's try it on! So nice! My transformation is complete!
Knock, knock.
Huh? Who could it be?
Hi, Barbie. You look so amazing today.
Oh, thank you! And I'm really glad you like it.
I really do, but, a tail? What?
But Ken? Oh no, I tried so hard to do it and now